Do you know what hurts the most? When you step back and start seeing everything clearly, without lies, without illusions, you realize that people never really loved you. They didn't love you, not in the way you thought, not in the way you wanted, not in the way you truly deserve. They don't love you. They love the benefits your presence gives them. They love how you forget yourself for them, how you put them first, how you make them feel important. They loved your attention because it feeds their ego, but in return, they give you nothing. And the truth is, deep inside, you always knew you felt it in their silence, in their distance, in their indifference. But you close your eyes because you love them. The truth is, not everyone loves the way you do, and you shouldn't expect your kind of love from everyone.